Let's do it. You know the drill. Here we go. This is it, everyone. Alright, remember to get the stars. The first one is over here, remember? I'm doing so good that time. It's on my phone. Oh, yeah. Oops. Oops, sorry. Another drill again. You can ignore the stars, alright? So that's a good thing. Except for the last one. What? Okay, ready? No! No, that was bad for you there. No, that was bad. I'll get that one. If it's still here. No, no, no. Oh, come on. Good. Got that one situated. Alright. Ready? Oh, whenever you're ready. Where's Grandma? Oh, I'm right there. No! Watch out, fire. Of course I have to do that. Come on, man. I'll reset myself. Wait. Be good. I know you're gonna be good. Alright, ready? Go on. Woo! Someday we could do this. Come on. No, I'm done. I don't want to reset myself anymore. This is annoying. This is a waste of time. Alright, good. What was that? Oh, that was good. Thank you for doing that. Watch out, fire. There we go, good. No, just this one. Or no, or not. Down is down. There you go. You're a pro at this. Alright, no star. We already got that one. Oh! Alright, which one do you want to do next? You want to do the one that... No. What? My screen just turned off. That's a glitch. Oh, yeah. No, what? You have to be able to do it for me. Come on. That's what I thought. Let's get the time and get the golden flag, hopefully. Wait. Can we all try to... Thank you. Yes, everyone. Ready? Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna play Piggy after this. This is crazy, everyone. A video is up over on my Parrot vlogs talking about announcements and plans, but for now, look at us.
Help makes a dream work.
Who'll see? Yes.
I always get the flat.
Well, we can see what's the next world before we end today's episode because we got 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Right here. Now let's
Alright, wait. This is it, everyone. Our next episode. Yep, our next episode is gonna be World. And you might need to help me on this one. Trust me. This is it, everyone. Our last episode. Yep. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye, everyone.